This is how to change the oil in a 2008 Chevy Malibu, the 3.5 liter, the V6. You have your oil cap here, and then you're gonna do 5 quarts. You can do 4.5. I usually do 5 quarts of 5W30. First, come down in here, get your drain pan, and then your bolt. See the engine here? I'm on like the passenger side, and then the bolt to drain it is going to be this bolt right here. See how there's this one, and then it's right here. That's 15 millimeter. Let that all drain out, and then as that's draining, your filter is coming down here from the front, and then your filter is gonna be right there. So it's pretty easy to get to, and then you can see the drain pan bolt from there. Use a wrench, take that filter off. I usually like to put oil on the cap on the top of the new filter, and then so that's where that's located.